13. Be prepared. I am prepared for a fuel price hike. I am prepared for a fire in the neighborhood. I am prepared for the arrival of guests. I wish I'd come prepared with a parachute. I wish I'd backed up with my files. I wish I'd come prepared with my toolbox. I wish I'd brought a bottle of water. The motto of the Scouts is be prepared. It is an ideal motto for all of us. We should be always prepared, lest we be caught off guard. When we are prepared, we can face any situation. We can be prepared for anything if we take the necessary precautions. If we prepare well by studying regularly, we need not be afraid of examinations. If we prepare ourselves in the correct way, we will be able to face any situation. We can prepare ourselves by hard work. We should not be too much bothered about the outcome. We should do our best and leave the rest to God. Failures may come our way, but they will not upset us. Success may come our way, but they will not overexcite us. Problems arise when too much attention is paid to the outcome. It is said that we should expect the best, but be prepared for the worst. If we are prepared for the worst, we will not be upset or shocked when the worst happens. Usually the worst does not happen. We find several people who spend their life in worry and in sorrow for fear of what may happen. Let us follow the proverb, which tells us to cross the bridge when we come to it. Why should we worry and spoil our life for something that may not happen? Even so, let us be prepared so that even it happens, we will know what to do. Prevention is better than cure. Preparedness means taking the necessary precautionary steps. This will give us protection and prevent many an unwanted problem. When we are prepared, nothing can shock or surprise us. Nothing can frighten us. The best way to avoid worry, anxiety and fear is to be prepared to meet them. Preparations helps to defeat all enemies. In life, one has to face off problems and a lot of difficulties. Knowing this, the best thing we can do is to be prepared to face them. Everybody expects success in every sphere. It is but natural for us to hope for rewards, promotions and progress. Everyone wants to lead a life of happiness, but everyone is not happy. Just as we hope for success, progress, and happiness, we should be prepared to accept the converse. A candle that is lit up will be seen by all. The flame will be criticized. Should the candle be kept in a cupboard and not lit? The purpose of the candle is to give light. In the same way, we all have a purpose for which we are created. We have to fulfill that purpose. We should not be bothered about what others think about us. However, it is natural for us to be bothered. The best thing there is to be prepared for adverse comments. Very often we are selfish. That is often the cause of our sorrow or worry. This selfishness should be controlled by being prepared to accept whatever happens. It may be something expected or something unexpected. Life will be happier if each one of us follow this motto of being prepared for anything always. It is surely difficult. The only way is to trust in God. Whatever happens is for our good. Our Father will be always with us. He knows what we need. Let us believe in Him. If we have complete trust in the love of God, we will leave everything in His hands. We will gladly accept whatever He sends us. This mental attitude will help us to be always prepared for anything and everything. This will make a lot of difference to our life.